Hey there everyone, welcome back to our Small's YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be installing these Kuryakn lights on this 2017 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. These lights are made to work with the Hogwarts Rushmore style lower fairings, so let's go ahead and put them on here. To start installing them, the first thing you have to do is take the little plate off. Just to do that, there are two screws in the back which you have to unscrew. Okay everyone, so it just snaps in place. There are these two little square holes on the side which you can feed the wire through, but it should just snap into place after that. Okay everyone, same thing on this side, just go ahead and pop this plate out and then feed the wire and the light through. And here's how it looks all buttoned up. All we have to do now is go ahead and connect the wires. Okay everyone, to take this turn signal housing off, it is going to be a size 13 socket. Okay everyone, here's just a back shot for you guys. See this wire right here? That is the wire from the light. They offer these little clips which you can go ahead and put in right here. What they want you to do is this frame reel right here. They want you to run the light up here to the turn signal right there. So let's go ahead and do that. And just for the safety of your bike, before you go ahead and connect the new lights, go ahead and take out your master fuse. One thing that I quickly want to point out is before you take off your turn signal housing, make sure that you have a microfiber cloth or something protecting your lower fairing. Okay everyone, I know the headlight is showing up kind of weird. That is just because of how bright it is, but here's how they look all set up. Nothing's too permanent yet. The wires are still just hanging and all the bolts aren't in, but this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching today's video where we installed these Kuryakn lights on the Harley Davidson lower fenders from Hogwarts. It turned out absolutely amazing. As you guys can tell, it just looks super badass. Thanks for watching. Have a great and blessed day.